Hello everyone. So today we are going to create an animation which looks like a GIF. Um, I'm going to create something like we see on Lottie files, and most important, I will design this on Phase tool. Phase is currently an animation tool designed for UI UX and product designers. So let's see how this works. In the last video, I had designed this animation with the help of Figma prototyping. So we are going to use that today. This is the frame and the text. All other text are behind this. So go to plugin and search for phase. Click on export to phase. It will take a little time. Okay. Whenever you will open the plugin, it will show you something like this. You can click on start creating. And this is the frame we were working on. So this is the interface, pretty easy and simple. So let's click here. So let's click on the screen, and this is the 0. Click here, pointer will come here. Okay, so now what we have to do is this is the initial point where we are seeing this text. So what we have to do, first go right hand side, and you can see here width and height. You have to click on this diamond shape and also on height. So it is showing here the pointers that initial point has been logged. Now go to here on 0.5 again. Now I have to make changes in this, so I'm going to drag the layers one by one. So something like this, and now we will log the width and height. Again click on the diamond shape on the right side for width and height both. It is showing here on the bottom. So click on this once again. This is reference for the timing. So I'm going to select all these layers. Yes, I have selected all. And now head over to right hand side and click on this align vertical middle, and the text are aligned in center vertically. I'm going to click on this width and this height diamond shape, and it is done now. We can also change the animation type. So let's do this. We can make some changes in this. Okay, let's see how it works. So here in the middle you can see play button, so click on it. You can see. Let's export this. We will reduce the time, it is going very fast, so let's do it 0.5. Yes, it is fine. So I'm going to import this. Here we have so many options how to import GIF or Lottie, Lottie. We are going to export this as Lottie JSON. Click on export. It is here. Export it again in. Let's import this as GIF. So this is the GIF file we have exported. Now I want to put this in a frame so that we can see the preview. So here you can see this is the GIF file and it is animating continuously. Let's see the JSON file. How does that work? Go to plugin and search for Lottie. Click run. Click on tools and here import. Now I will drop the JSON file here. Yes, something like this. Save to workspace. And we can download it from here also. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.